Sunday, the 22nd of June, 2025. Little back streets in Marietta, a little residential. We're heading back into town to get, this was South Park. Nice little area. Victory Drive. A lot of history in Marietta, all around Marietta. Civil War battles, Lockheed, Bell aircraft during World War II. About 70 degrees going to 90. Back down to about 70 tonight. Transmission's doing great so far. Don't have any wood to knock on. For those of superstitious persuasion. Okay, this is 120 again. Let's go ahead and turn this off until we get into town, and we'll come back out and get 120 coming back out. Okay, we'll give y'all a little bit more. We don't have Fairground. This is Fairground from 120. We're headed north on Fairground. Giving y'all a good bit of Marietta today. This has given us a pretty good test drive of the transmission too. But I say that, but I say after we changed the shift solenoids and the manifold pressure switch, it was perfect for 2 days. We need another parts van. Now that we're going to put that other one back on the road, we need a parts van for both of these vans. Unless this one turns into a parts van. It keeps giving me grief. That's what it's going to be. I started to Bonnie and Clyde it before we put the engine and transmission in. Okay, this is a north loop. We need to go left right here. We're going to go up a one-way street, then come back down a one-way street, give y'all more of Marietta. We've also got to change the battery on the GoPro Black 10. I don't know when we're going to get our light. We'll turn these cameras off for right now. Y'all remind me not to come up here on the Fairground and try to turn left again. That light holds forever. Turning right up here, then we're going to go out to about Kennestone Hospital. Well, I don't guess it's Kennestone anymore. What is it? Whatever it is. And then turn left and turn left again and come back down. We're going to go ahead and start the Insta 360 here, because this is these two roads going out and coming in are pretty dry. This is Cherokee Street, one way. Shasta daisies. That was pretty back there, wasn't it? Look, this is a pretty drive through here. There's some more residential, Marietta residential. Magnolia trees are blooming, the fragrance is in the air. Here's a throwback botany class, summer 1970, DeKalb College. For whatever reason, I have no idea what, but it's impregnated in my memory. Magnolia trees are a primitive dicot. There you go. We're going to turn left and head back. Come on by us. There's somebody driving slower than we do. Good grief. We'll be in the left-hand lane. You move a little bit quicker. How about it? And stay in your own lane. We want to go back down right here. Can we do a U-turn? We need to turn right, then turn right and go back down. I guess this is Kennestone Hospital. Plaza Way. I don't know if that's going to do us anything. Is that? What are we doing? Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. Uh-oh. This ain't coming. Oh, y'all gotta love it. Well, Marietta back street. American Deli. What a place for a deli, huh? We need to get up to that next road up there on the right. Church Street, that's what we want. Okay, Church Street. Now we're gonna go right back down into Marietta. Pest Control is now hiring a pest tech, not pet, pest tech. No turn on red. WellStar, that's what I was trying to think of. It's Kennestone Hospital, but it's WellStar Kennestone. I think WellStar is supposed to be a good hospital. school with, when Decatur lives down here. I think her and her husband have a townhouse up here, right in downtown Marietta. Have to give Sally a shout out. Turret type front. This is 120 loop again, north loop. We're going to go into town right here so y'all can see this some, and then we will come back and take 120 east all the way through to US 41. Evidently, they weren't taught very well how to parallel park, were they? Having extreme difficulty up there. Well, I guess they did okay. This would be a good time to get the bike out and ride Marietta on the bike, wouldn't it? We're going to turn left, we're going to go right back through town, then we're going to catch 120 east. Stop to change this battery. We might go ahead and check on this oil leak. We might go through the National Cemetery. I don't know. Well, I guess we will this morning. Be a good time to do it though. Okay, we want to go straight. This is 120. We'll be going back to our right. here to the loop. We're going to turn these off. Then we're going to work our way back to 120 and go east. This will give y'all a pretty good little tour of Marietta. Let's turn these off. These should be a wrap.